Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's get started. First line, elephant. The elephant ate peanuts. Second line, zoom. The rocket zoomed into the space. Third line, look. Seema looks tired. Fourth line, opinion. In my opinion, he is a good boy. Fifth line, hobby. My hobby is playing cricket. Sixth line, what a beautiful girl. Seventh line, home. Radha is not at home. Eighth line, calling. Teacher is calling you. Ninth line, think. I think it may rain today. Tenth line, how your study is going. Thanks for watching.